Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss basic introduction to JavaScript. Before going to JavaScript, first you need to understand what is a scripting language. Scripting language means simply a loosely or weakly typed language, and it is a lightweight programming. A lightweight programming language is called a scripting language. So why the scripting language becomes more popular? Because of web-based applications. So we are doing multiple number of web-based applications. Due to the emergence of web-based application, the scripts becomes more popular. Now, the scripts are divided into two types. One is client-side script. Second one is server-side script. What is the difference? You are writing some script. Suppose if the script that runs on the web browser, such the scripts are called client-side scripts. Suppose if the script running in the web server, those are called server-side scripts. What are the different examples of client-side? Live script and the most popular JavaScript. Along with the multiple scripts are there, TypeScript, VB script, HTML, and Ajax. All these are client-side scripts. Coming to server-side script, Python is a server-side scripting language. PHP is there, JSP, Ruby, Node.js, all these are server-side scripting language. This is the scripting. What is the main advantage of scripting? It is very easy to learn and use. Minimum coding knowledge is required for scripting, and editing and running is very fast. Everything is simplify the task. Now, okay, scripting is okay. Scripts to client side JavaScript. Now we are moving into JavaScript. What is a JavaScript? It is a lightweight programming language, a lightweight scripting, at the same time, a lightweight object-oriented programming language. What is the main purpose? It is used by several websites for scripting. So each and every web page, we are writing some script by using JavaScript. In a simple term, JavaScript is the programming language of the web. Programming language of the web. Now, who developed? Brendan. It developed JavaScript in the year 1995. Initially, the name is called LiveScript, and the official name of JavaScript is ECMAScript. Okay, this is the official name. What is the reason for studying JavaScript? First, we already discussed HTML. What you are doing? By using HTML, we are defining the content of the web page. By using CSS, we are providing the layout, that is how the content to be displayed in the web page. Now, by using JavaScript, we are programming the behavior of the web page. That is how the web page. Suppose if you click on a button, what needs to be happened? The behavior of the web page. So that is the reason. Simply all these three together, it creates a web page. What are the different versions? Initially, JavaScript is in the year 1997 to 99. ES means ECMAScript version 1, version 2, version 3, and so on. Right now, ECMAScript 2016-17 is released. These are different versions of JavaScript. Okay. And remember, JavaScript is a open cross-platform. What is mean by that one? Open source, anyone can download. Cross platform, it can run on any platform. It can run on Windows, on Linux, or macOS, can run on any platform. Okay, now this is the basic syntax. Everyone understand what is the basic syntax. So if you want to insert a JavaScript code, that code must be between the script tags. Remember, whatever the code that you want to place, that is written in between the script tag only. Okay, now what is the place? Here you can write the script tag either in the head section or in the body section or in a single page. You can write in both head and body any number of times. Okay, what is the syntax? Script type is equal to text or JavaScript, language is equal to JavaScript. Close, write some set of statements, that is the code, close the script. Suppose if you doesn't want type is equal to text or JavaScript, you can ignore. Directly you can write language, no problem. Or else, instead of avoiding all these confusions, this is also preferable. This is also preferable. Clear? This is the basic syntax. Now, where we are running our JavaScript by using Node.js, you can run the JavaScript as a normal editor. So till now we are using IDE. What is IDE? Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So here also we are running the JavaScript in Visual Code also, VS Code also. Clear? Now, this is one example. Now I will write down one example. This is the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Simply, you know the syntax. Here you can write the script either head section or body section. If you want, you can write anything. You can write at any place. Suppose first I will write down head. In the next example, I will write down in the body. Script document dot. Remember this one, I will explain later. Document dot write off. You are writing some message, welcome to JavaScript. Here, document dot write means simply in C language, you are using printf statement. Java system dot out dot println. Similarly, document, this is the entire document which consists of write method, which is used for writing the information. So here, whatever the code you want, that is written inside the script tag. Save, copy the path, go to some browser. Observe, welcome to JavaScript. The message is displayed. Remember, here not only a single line, you can write any number of lines. For example, welcome to JavaScript 1. Save, refresh, observe the thing. Here inside I am writing two statements in two different lines, but even though the output is displayed on the same line. So I want to display the output in another line. What you need to do? Suppose in HTML you are writing break statement directly. But remember, this is a JavaScript code. How do you write break statement? That is also written inside document dot write double quotation br. Clear? Directly if you are writing br, that is not possible. Everything is written inside the script, that is JavaScript code. Now save, refresh, it break, moves to the new line. Clear? Clear? This is the basic example of JavaScript. The basic example of JavaScript. Now, single quotations and double quotations in JavaScript. What is the meaning? Suppose here in the document, here I am using double quotation. Sorry, here I want, you can use single quotation also. You can use either single quotation or double quotation. Both are same. Refresh. Observe the output. Both are same or not. Suppose I want to display this in double. Think you understand? Open with single quotation, close with single quotation. If you want to display some part of the text in double quotation, you can place like this. Refresh. Observe, the two is in double quotation. Suppose if I want a single quotation, then what you are doing? Opening and closing in double quotation. Now finally, suppose this is also here also I want double quotation to observe, it gives an error. I think you got my point. If you want to place anything in single quotation, that is enclosed within double quotation. In the reverse one, enclosed within single quotation. Or yes, you can use one more thing, slash, escape sequence. Think in C also there. Wherever you are writing escape sequence, that is followed is displayed on the output. See this one, slash followed W. Suppose here, slash double quotation, save. Clear? So this is single quotation and double quotation. Single quotation and double quotation. Clear? Now, One more thing, output. Just now we discussed it. By using write method, you are printing the output on the screen. Yes or no? Now, here what I am writing, instead of writing these things, suppose I'm removing all this. Welcome to JavaScript. This is my write method. This is write method. Suppose if you want to place this one as HTML, you can use as usual BR like this only /h1. Any HTML tags are also available, but those are also within quotation here only. Within quotation here only. Suppose document.write of B. Now welcome to JavaScript 1. Save, refresh. Observe for the first one, H1 is applied. Break means new line. And the second, welcome to Java 1 is applied. Now, what I am doing here, not only a single statement, you can write any number of statements. You can write any number of statements. Observe H1, suppose P, good, /P. Now, these are not at all required. Observe what is the meaning. The first one is expression 1 followed by expression 2. Like this, you can write any number of expressions. Save. First, welcome to JavaScript after completion of H1. P. Good. Clear? Clear? Now, what I am doing to avoid confusion, I am removing this one. Copy the same thing. Suppose my text message is good. Now, how the output is displayed without any space, they are just attached. Yes or no? Just attached. Welcome to JavaScript. But here, H1 tag is there. By default, after completion of H1, we are moving into new line. That is the reason you are not getting exact output. Now, see, welcome to JavaScript immediately followed by good welcome to JavaScript, no space. Now, one more method is there, write ln. ln in Java means new line, but here ln gives a single space. After printing the statement, it gives a single space. Now, execute. Observe after script what happened? It provides a single space. Okay, this is the basic thing under this. How do you display the output? By using either document.write or document.writeln. The difference is single space. Now, finally, what is the place in HTML? We can write the script in the head section or in the body section or both in the head and body section. Okay, anyway, till now we are using head section. Suppose cut, write down in the body section, save. Yes, you are getting the output. Clear? Both are clear. Now, one more thing is there. We can write the script in an external file, and this external file is included in the head section. This external file is included in the head section. Now, what is the procedure? Follow the procedure carefully. The first step is you need to create some JavaScript file. You need to create some JavaScript file. Suppose here I am creating one JavaScript file text.js. JavaScript file is saved as text.js. Here, what I am writing, suppose any message. Just I am writing one information. Okay, this is my JavaScript. Remember, in this JavaScript here, no need to use script tag. Remember, if you are previously, I am using .html. Within the HTML file, if you want to run JavaScript code, then you are using script tag. But this is saved as text.js. Automatically it is a script file. No need to write script tag. Now, step 1 is completed. What is step 2? Step 2 is in the HTML file. In which HTML file you want the code, go to the head section only. Remember, if you want to use external, then go to the head section only. How do you write? Script src means source is equal to whatever the file you want, you can write the file. Clear? Save. Now go to the browser. Welcome. Good. Clear? Again, I'm repeating. What is step one? Create any JavaScript file. Step two is in which HTML file you want. By using source attribute, we can use that corresponding HTML, corresponding JavaScript. These are the two steps. First, creation of step one saved with JS extension, and step two is use like this. Clear? Now, till now, what we discussed, what is a scripting language, what are the different types of scripts, why you are learning JavaScript, what are the different versions of JavaScript, and the basic syntax we are following JavaScript. Okay. Now, what is the use of single quotation and double quotation? Which one you need to use depending upon the requirement, and both have same meanings, or else you can use a slash. And output, how do you display output and the screen? By using either write method or writeln method. And finally, the JavaScript place in a HTML file. Okay.